Which video doorbell camera is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Arvo Elio M50. Let's kick things off with the Arvo Elio M50. This one caught my eye because it's priced at just $25.27 and promises features that could keep your home secure without breaking the bank. If you want affordable outdoor security, this is worth a serious look. The two-way audio feature allows you to have real-time conversations with visitors or even your pets, which is pretty cool. Plus, the night vision is designed to help you see clearly in low light or complete darkness, so you don't miss a thing when the sun goes down. And let's not forget, it's weather-resistant, built to withstand rain and dust. Now, some people have mentioned in reviews that the setup can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Here's the thing though, once it's up and running, it works like a charm for basic monitoring. This is perfect for you if you're looking for budget-friendly security without a subscription. But skip this one if you want something with advanced features or if you prefer wired options. Now, if the M50's setup concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Topo D205. Next up is the Topo D205, priced at $44.23. What stood out to me about this one is its impressive 2K resolution. If you're serious about monitoring your property, this is a solid option to check out. The highlight here is the 160 degrees ultra-wide view that allows you to see a broad area, making it great for large doorways or porches. It uses AI to detect people and send alerts without the annoying notifications for cars or pets. Plus, the built-in battery lasts up to 180 days, so you won't be swapping batteries every month. The night vision and two-way audio are also noteworthy, allowing you to see clearly at night and communicate with visitors easily. However, some users pointed out that the camera can occasionally miss quick movements, which can be frustrating. But honestly, if you're mainly using it for door monitoring and not high-speed action, it shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and sharp image without a subscription. But you might want to pass if you need something that captures fast-moving subjects. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want wired solutions. Product number 3, WIZE Doorbell V2. Now let's talk about the WIZE Doorbell V2, which comes in at $75.83. This one really impressed me with its color night vision and 2K video resolution. If you're serious about your home security, stick around. The color night vision is a game changer, giving you clear images even in low light thanks to its starlight sensor. Plus, it supports smart notifications for package deliveries, ensuring you're always updated. Just keep in mind it requires hardwiring to your existing doorbell system, which might deter some. A few users mentioned that the installation process was a bit cumbersome, especially if you're not handy. But I think the benefits it offers, like 24/7 monitoring and the peace of mind that comes with reliable connectivity, outweigh that challenge. But skip this one if you're not comfortable with installation or prefer a battery-powered option. If the hardwiring wasn't your style, the next product may be more to your liking. Product number 4, Orbitel M52. Next on the list is the Orbitel M52, priced at $25.27. This one has a lot of features for the price, and I found it really appealing for its AI-powered smart detection. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still offers good performance, take a closer look. The AI technology in this camera distinguishes people from cars and animals, which is fantastic for cutting out false alarms. It also comes with a wide-angle view and excellent night vision capabilities, ensuring you get comprehensive coverage of your entryway. The instant two-way audio is a nice touch, letting you greet guests or communicate with delivery drivers effortlessly. However, some buyers reported issues with cloud storage accessibility, especially when they needed to retrieve footage quickly. Here's the thing though, if you're planning to use it primarily for live monitoring, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect if you want a cost-effective way to keep an eye on your property. But you might want to skip it if you're looking for more advanced recording features. Now, if the Orbitel's cloud concerns you, the last one might just wrap things up nicely. Product number 5, Lumo Yuzu Video Doorbell. Finally, let's check out the Lumo Yuzu Video Doorbell priced at only $20.21. This caught my attention because it offers solid features at a lower price point. If you want something truly budget-friendly without sacrificing quality, this one's for you. This doorbell offers 1080p HD clarity and reliable night vision, so you won't miss anything. Plus, the two-way audio lets you communicate without having to open your door. It's designed to be easy to install and use, which is great if you're not super tech-savvy. However, several users have mentioned that the video quality can be less impressive during the day compared to night use. But honestly, for the price, the overall performance is still pretty good. This is perfect for you if you need an entry-level video doorbell. But skip this one if you're expecting top-tier performance. So, we've covered a range of options today, from budget to more advanced, ensuring there's something for everyone. To wrap it up, we looked at the Arvo Aleo M50 for budget-conscious buyers, the Topo D205 for those wanting clarity, the WIZE Doorbell V2 for reliable wired performance, the Orbitel M52 for smart detection, and the Lumo Yuzu for a basic entry-level option. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all provide solid alternatives for anyone looking for a video doorbell without those pesky subscription fees. Choose the one that fits your needs best.